design lovers! Today I'm taking you on a journey through one of my favorite projects, a complete transformation of a master suite. We are talking about taking a dated space and turning it into something with a luxurious hotel vibe, right here at home. We will be working on the master bedroom, merging his and her bathrooms into a grand ensuite, revamping the walk-in closets and giving the powder room a stunning makeover. I've collaborated with Lehman Construction on this project, who did an amazing job by bringing my designs to life. Their level of communication, dedication and precision was unmatched. A successful renovation is only possible with a skilled team that ensures every detail, from scheduling to deliveries, site visits and quality checks, is handled seamlessly. Our clients didn't have to worry about a thing, because we managed it all. Today is the demolition day. The bin is already here, which means that the work has already started. Let's check in and see how things are moving.
Yeah, I'm out at Brooklyn. Now I'm down in Tribeca, right next to the...
So, what's the plan? For the master bedroom we are going neutral. Think calming tones, luxurious textures and a mix of traditional and contemporary elements. The ensuite is getting a serious upgrade. We are merging two small bathrooms into one large spa-like retreat. And don't even get me started on the walk-in closets. We are blending IKEA and custom carpentry to get that high-end look on a budget. As for the powder room, well, let's just say it's going to be a showstopper. Before we explore the rooms, let's talk about a feature that made a dramatic difference in the overall feel of the space. Interior doors. We went for 90-inch high, solid core interior doors. The style of this door is a perfect fit for a transitional interior. Great choice if you want to modernize your house while keeping some of the existing traditional elements, such as chair rail in this case. The handles, so sleek, and a luxurious touch. This spacious bedroom underwent a serious makeover. My goal was to create a calming yet sophisticated retreat with high-end hotel vibes. Using a warm neutral color palette, I incorporated architectural elements like taller double wall panels with fluted detailing for a contemporary twist. A tall linen cabinet carries the same paneling design, blending seamlessly with the space. The wall-hung cabinet offers extra storage and serves as a striking design feature. The custom bed, nightstands and area rug from Restoration Hardware bring rich textures and impeccable craftsmanship. One of my favorite elements, the reading nook with a chair and side table from Home Society, is the perfect cozy spot. Custom drapery panels completed with a blackout for privacy and light control finish off the room. The rod was curved to repeat the fluted design of the vertical panels. Time to check out walk-in closets. Would you believe these are IKEA closets? Custom closets were over $1,000 each, so we customized IKEA ones instead. The cabinets with LED lighting and fittings cost around $2,000 each, with another $2,000 for installation and customization, saving our clients $8,000. Fluted panels at the top of the cabinets add visual interest, and custom mirrors built into the wall paneling elevate the design beyond standard options. Huge thanks to our construction team who put up with the IKEA challenge and made it look fabulous. Let's see the ensuite. The clients had a wish list for the ensuite. A big shower with a bench, a freestanding tub, a closed-off toilet, separate his and hers vanities, ample storage, and hidden medicine cabinets. We delivered all this and more. One challenge was the tub filler installation. The faucet placement needed to be precise to avoid splashing outside the tub. Leonid, the owner at Lehman Construction, was at the job site every single day and ensured the proper plumbing, heated floors and tiles installation. Beautiful vanity with slim shaker-style doors and hidden medicine cabinets were custom-made by Closet Solutions. The precision, flush cabinets, aligned lines is impeccable. I wanted something fancy for this bathroom and went for the pendants instead of wall sconces. They perfectly blend into the space and fill out the corner. Backlit mirrors add a contemporary touch without breaking the bank. Countertops, shower gems, bench and niche are made of quartz. 6-inch thick countertop adds a contemporary touch to the space. Shower. I faced a big challenge here. Either put the glass all the way to the ceiling or enclose the shower. Chose a second option and I really like how the crown molding continues throughout the room. This powder room is a prime example of how small updates can have a big impact. The herringbone hardwood flooring stayed and we refreshed the existing vanity instead of replacing it. For the color scheme, I chose green as a stunning backdrop for the flooring. When I saw this wallpaper, I fell in love with it. I thought that it might be a little too bold and too extravagant for my clients, but I showed them the sample anyways, and surprisingly, they liked it. Turned out my clients had lived in South Africa for many years, and the jungle monkey pattern felt like home for them. I sourced a beautiful quartzite remnant for the vanity countertop, which also kept the cost down. Every detail from Art Deco-inspired sconces to the faucet and cabinet hardware was chosen with great care. I love mixing old and new. It creates a timeless elegance and feels fresh and trendy at the same time. This renovation showcases our personal approach to design, flexibility in creating solutions, and the expertise of our team in bringing a vision to life. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found inspiration and useful tips for your next project. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing transformations.
Лёнь, дай нам пока 5 минут, можно пока сейчас мы тут быстренько запишем, ладно? Так, ты готов? Да, дай нам 5 минут, сейчас нам надо.
Так а можно с кадра уйти?
Hello, design lovers! Лёнь, серьезно, да? Ты можешь потом это, кстати, использовать как прикол.